Hello, welcome. Let's say you're now ready to place your order. So the first thing in there is to consider the MOQ, which one you wish to buy. Okay, let's say you want to buy like five, and the colors there is black and brown. Okay, let's say you want to buy two black, then one brown. Now, if you take a closer look at this place, you will see that this costs $28.8. This is what this costs. And also they now added their own shipping to Nigeria, which is $54.9. $54.9. It takes 5 days to reach Nigeria. Then the total cost looks $83.7 when you combine the total cost and the total cost of shipping to Nigeria. But we have to discard shipping to Nigeria. Our major concentration here will be on the cost of 3 sets, which is this $28.8. That is what we are interested in. We can forget about the cost of shipping. We will use a shipping agent in China to send to Nigeria, which is more cheaper. So once you're done, you can scroll down, then start order. So here we go. This is your cart. Then scroll down. I already have an address here. So for you being a starter, there will be an option for you to put an address. Okay, let's say I'm changing an address. Let's say I'm changing to a new address. This is where I put my address, and this address should be the address of your freight agent in China. You ask them for their name. You can put your own name, which is not really important. Then the address here is the address of your shipping agent. You can ask them for the address. They will send you your address. Then country is in China. State, you can choose any state. You can put any city. The phone number is the phone number of your freight agent. So take that into consideration. After everything, now click on submit. Then you have to tell your supplier that you have a freight agent in China. You don't need Alibaba's logistics service. You can handle your own logistics. What they have to do is to send your item to your freight agent's address. Then you will do the rest. If you're having challenges placing an order on Alibaba, you can simply go to your supplier and send him or her a message stating, "Hello, I want you to send this item to so address in China. This is their phone number." Then your supplier now will draft an order. He or she will draft an order for you using the details you sent to him or her. What's left for you now is to make a payment. They will place an order on your behalf, then send you a link for you to make a payment. This is what you have to tell them. Please place an order for me, then I will make a payment. Then set the details, the address where they are to send your items to, and the phone number of your freight agents to contact them. That's what they need. And most importantly, there is what is called shipping mark. Shipping mark is very, very important. If your item has no shipping mark, consider your item a lost item, because I've come across people who made mistake of not putting the shipping mark on their item. So when the item is being sent to the freight agent, there's no way they can locate your item. There's no way they can say, okay, this is your item or this is not your item. They will just pack it in one place in their warehouse. So you risk the chance of losing your item and losing your money. So make sure you have your shipping mark. In the next video, I will tell you how to make your own shipping mark with my template, which I have used depending on the shipping method. You can make your shipping mark depending on the shipping method, either express or air cargo. Then after you are done, you can now submit. This submit now will be sent to the seller. The seller can now make an adjustment, or the seller can now process your order. And also when it comes to payment, you can make payment with your own debit card, with your own Nigerian account. It works with your own Nigerian account. You don't need an agent to make payment on your behalf. Alibaba has made everything so simple, unlike what you see on 1688.